Yes, happy morning, my dear students. How are you? I think all of you are enjoying very well. Now, what I am going to do today, in my previous lectures, I have already done method of elimination, method of substitution, reducing equation. Now, I am going to start the cross multiplication method, and I will teach you in very easy way to you. Let us see how to solve the question by cross multiplication method. Just you pay attention here and you will enjoy the mathematics. Let us see how. Suppose these are the two equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. Okay, whenever you are getting the constant terms, what you will do, just you transfer the constant term on this side. If plus is there, then you transfer here, it becomes minus. If minus is there, it becomes plus. Now see how to solve. First, what you will write, I am just telling you the easy way. Just you write here x upon first, okay? Then is equal to y upon, right? And is equal to 1 upon x upon y upon and 1 upon, and just you put a negative sign in between, minus, minus and minus. Now how to solve? When you are going to solve x, how you will multiply like this? First you have to multiply this and then multiply this. First and third same. Then first multiply this, second multiply this. And first and third will be the same. First multiply this, next will be this. And now see how the question becomes easy. Now first you have to solve x. What you will do? Put your hand like this. Whenever you are getting the two equations, transfer constant term on this side. I will take the example also. Put here like this. Now you have to multiply like this into this. It means b1 into c2. You have to multiply like this. One cross is this, other is this. It means it means b1 c2. This is b1 c2. Now then this minus b2 c1. b2 c1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Now y upon means just you close this y. How you have to multiply? Like this. It means a2 c1. It means a2 c1. This is a2 c1 minus a1 c2. a1 c2. It means when you are going to close this y, you have to multiply like this minus this. Okay. Now this is constant term. This is constant term. You have to multiply like this. It means a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is the formula. Again I want to explain. Just put like this. You have to multiply this first like this. It means b1 c2 minus b2 c1. This way. Now this y. It means a2 c1, because you are going to close this. a2 c1 minus a1 c2. And third step will be close this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. This is the formula how to find the solution. Okay. Now I am going to tell you how to find the solution. Let us see. Suppose you are getting these two equations. X plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. These are the two equations. What you will do first, just you transfer this constant term on this side. Okay. Now what will be the equation? X plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Let us see how. Equal to 0, equal to 0. Right? Now how to solve? Let us see. X upon is equal to y upon is equal to 1 upon. Okay. Now See the question. First you close this. Here you have to multiply this first. This, it means 1. What is the coefficient of y? 1. So 1 into minus 2. This is minus 2. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now this into this. It means minus 1 into minus 4. It becomes plus 4. Minus is already there. Everywhere minus is there. And this is 4. Okay. Now close y. This is y. Now you have to multiply like this. It means 1 into minus 4. It becomes minus 4. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Now this is 1 into minus 2. This is minus 2. Now third term. This into this. It means 1 into minus 1, minus 1. And this into this. It means 1 into 1 means 1. Now let us see. Sin of is equal to x upon minus 2 and this minus 2. Minus 4 become minus 6 is equal to y upon. This is minus 4 and this minus become plus. So minus 4 plus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2. Okay. Now compare this. First it will be this and this. Okay. It means, let us see. X upon minus 6. X upon minus 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 2. So minus 2 into x minus 2x equal to minus 6. It means x is equal to 3. Okay. Now compare these two. This and this. It means 1 upon y upon minus 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 2. So minus 2 into y minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel. So y is equal to 1. This is the solution. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay. Now one more question. Five x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y is equal to 35 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 28. These are the equations. See how to solve. 5x plus 3y equal to 35 and 2x plus 4y equal to 28. Okay. What you will do? Just to transfer this constant term on this side. That these are positive. When you will transfer this side, it becomes negative. So this is negative, this is negative. Equal to 0, equal to 0. Now you will write x upon is equal to y upon is equal to 1 upon. Okay. Now everywhere minus sign is there. First you write minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Now how to solve? First you have to multiply like this. It means close this. Okay. You have to multiply like this. So 28 into 3. 28 into 3 means 84. Minus 28 plus 3. Minus 28 into plus 3. Minus 84. This is minus 84. Now this into this. 4 into minus 35. 4 into minus 35 means minus 140. Minus 140. Clear? Now close this. Y upon. Y like this. Now you have to multiply this. So 2 into minus 35. Minus 70. This is minus 70. Now multiply like this. So 5 into minus 28. Minus 140. Minus 140. Okay. Now is equal to 1 upon. Now close this. Now you have to multiply like this. 4 into 5, 20. And this into this, 6. Okay, now you have to simplify. X upon minus 84, and this minus become plus 140 is equal to y upon minus 70, and this minus become plus 140 is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 6 means 14. Okay, now x upon 84 minus 84 plus 150, it means 56 is equal to y upon 140 minus 70 is equal to 1 upon 14. Now compare this equal to this. Okay, this equal to this. Let us see how. X upon 56 is equal to 1 upon 14. This implies 14x equal to 56. So x is equal to 56 upon 14. It means 4. Okay. Now find y. It means y upon 70 equal to 1 upon 14. Y upon 70 equal to 1 upon 14. So 14y equal to 70. So y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Let us see. You can put here x equal to 4. 4 5 is a 20. 5 is a 15. 20 plus 15, 35. 30 minus 35, 0. It means your answer is right. This is called cross multiplication method. I hope this is clear to you. Very good. Now one more question. Nine x minus 4y equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Let us see how to solve. 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Again constant terms are this side. You transfer constant term here, then it will becomes negative, sign will get changed. It is minus equal to 0 equal to 0. Okay, now you will write x upon is equal to y upon is equal to 1 upon, and put minus sign is there. Now you have to simplify like this. Put your hand like this. Now you have to multiply this like this. It means minus 4 into minus 2000. It becomes 8000. Minus 4 into minus 2000 becomes 8000. Now minus this into this. It means minus 3 into 2000. It means 6000. This is 6000. Clear? Now y upon. Put like this. You have to multiply this. Okay? So this into. So 7 into minus 2000. It means 14,000. So minus 14,000. Minus. Okay? Now you have to multiply this. 9 into 2. Minus 18,000. 9 into 2000. Minus 18,000. Now 1 upon. You have to multiply like this. Close this. This into this. Minus 27. And this into this. 7 for the 28. 7 into minus 4. Minus 28. Okay, now see. X upon 8000 minus 6000, 2000 is equal to y upon minus 14,000, and this minus minus become plus. So 18,000 minus 14,000, 4,000 is equal to 1 upon minus 27, minus minus become plus. So 28 minus 27, 1. Now you can compare this and this. Let us see how. X upon 2000 is equal to 1 upon 1. It means x is equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000. And now compare this. This equal to this. It means y upon 4000 is equal to 1 upon 1. So y is equal to 4000. So x is equal to 2000 and y is equal to 4000. This is the answer. I hope this you got the cross multiplication method now, and it is easy. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.